Hello everyone, welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen, and today I'll be making mutton curry. Mutton curry is prepared by cooking lamb or goat meat in a rich onion and tomato gravy till the meat turns soft and tender. The recipe that I will follow today is my mother's signature recipe. My Aama has perfected the recipe after years of trials and errors, and today her mutton curry is a favorite among my extended family and friends circle. So, to learn how to make the easiest but most flavorful and lip-smacking mutton curry, let's get started. To marinate the mutton, take the mutton pieces in a large bowl and add turmeric powder, salt to taste, ginger and garlic paste, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, mustard oil, and sliced onions. And now mix all the ingredients well. Mix till all the mutton pieces are smeared with the masala. Then cover and refrigerate for minimum 1 hour. I have marinated the mutton for 2 hours. Now to cook the mutton, take a pressure cooker and add the mutton pieces. Add 1 cup of water, stir it, close the lid and pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles. Turn off the heat and let it cool, then remove the meat pieces and keep aside the stock for later use. To make the tomato gravy, take a large pot or a kadai and add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and let it smoke. Add green cardamom pods and bay leaves and fry for few seconds. Now add the chopped tomatoes and a little bit of salt and cook till the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Then add the mutton pieces and mix. Now cover the pan with the lid, lower the flame and cook for 20 to 30 minutes till the oil appears on the surface. On regular basis, keep stirring the gravy and add little mutton stock if the gravy starts sticking to the bottom of the pan. To make the onion paste, fry the onions till they are golden and crisp. Then take a grinder and add the fried onions, green cardamom pods, cinnamon stick, cloves, black peppercorns, and grind them into a fine paste by adding little water. Now add the onion paste to the gravy, give it a good mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the remaining stock and mix it well. Cover and cook till you get the gravy of your desired consistency. The gravy has almost thickened, so turn off the heat and enjoy the mutton curry with any of your favorite pulao, plain rice, roti, or paratha. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Facebook page and Instagram. The links for both are given below in the description box.